In this guide, we will walk you through 5 practical methods to factory reset Redmi phones. Depending on your situation, you can reset your Redmi device through the built-in Settings app, Recovery Mode, Xiaomi Find Device, third-party erasing tools, or ADB commands. Part 1. How to factory reset Redmi phone through settings. If your Redmi phone is working normally and you can access the screen, using the built-in settings option is the easiest and safest way to perform a factory reset. Steps to factory reset Redmi phone through settings. Step 1. Unlock your Redmi phone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap About Phone from the Settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down and select Factory Reset. Step 4. Tap Erase All Data and review the information about the data that will be deleted. Step 5. If needed, create a backup of your important files, then confirm the reset operation. Step 6. Enter your lock screen password, PIN, or pattern to verify your identity. Step 7. Tap the confirmation button to start the factory reset process. Your Redmi phone will restart automatically and remove all stored data. Once completed, it will return to the initial setup screen, just like a new device. Note: the exact names or locations of some options may vary slightly depending on your Redmi model and whether it runs MIUI or Hyperos. Part 2. How to do hard factory reset on Redmi with recovery mode. A hard factory reset through recovery mode can fix Redmi phones that cannot boot normally, such as devices with forgotten passwords, frozen screens, boot loops, or logo issues. Unlike a normal reset from settings, this method works outside the Android system. However, it works by erasing all data on the phone permanently. Steps to hard reset Redmi phone using recovery mode. Step 1. Turn off your Redmi phone completely. If the device is frozen, press and hold the power button for several seconds to force it to shut down. Step 3. Release the buttons when the recovery mode menu appears. Step 4. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the menu and press the power button to confirm selections. Step 5. Choose Wipe Data and then select Wipe All Data. Step 6. Confirm the operation and wait while recovery mode removes all data from your device. Step 7. After the process finishes, select Reboot or Reboot System to restart your Redmi phone. After rebooting, your Redmi phone will start as a new device with the original factory settings. Part 3. How to factory reset Redmi phone by Xiaomi Find Device. Xiaomi Find Device is an official tool that lets you remotely erase data from a Redmi phone via a web browser. It works best for lost or inaccessible devices, but requires a signed-in Xiaomi account, Find Device enabled beforehand, and an active internet connection. Steps to factory reset Redmi phone remotely. Step 1. Open a browser on another device and visit Xiaomi Cloud. Step 2. Sign in with the Xiaomi account linked to your Redmi phone. Step 3. Select Find Device from the available services. Step 4. Choose the Redmi phone you want to erase from the device list. Step 5. Click Erase Data and review the warning about permanent data deletion. Step 6. Confirm the action and enter your Xiaomi account password if required. After confirmation, your Redmi phone will receive the erase command when it connects to the internet. The device data will then be deleted and restored to factory settings. Note: after a remote reset, you may need to sign in with the previously linked Xiaomi account during the setup process due to Xiaomi security protection. Part 4. How to reset Redmi phone via Coolmuster Android Eraser. A standard factory reset may not fully erase data from a Redmi phone. For stronger privacy protection, tools like Coolmuster Android Eraser can permanently wipe data by overwriting storage, helping prevent recovery of sensitive information. Steps to factory reset a Redmi phone with Coolmuster Android Eraser. Step 2. Download, install, and launch the tool on your Windows or Mac. Step 2. Connect your Redmi phone to the computer using a USB cable. Enable USB debugging on the device. If prompted, grant the required permissions and click OK after the program detects your phone. Step 3. Click Erase. Choose your preferred security level low, medium, or high, and click OK. Enter Delete in the confirmation box, then click Erase again and confirm the operation to begin wiping your device. Step 4. When prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to perform a factory reset on your Redmi phone through settings, then complete the initial device setup after the reset finishes. Part 5. How to factory reset Redmi phone through ADB. ADB Android Debug Bridge allows computer control of an Android device through command line commands. If USB debugging was enabled beforehand, Advanced users can use ADB to enter recovery mode and factory reset a Redmi phone. This method won't work if USB debugging was never enabled. Here is how to factory reset a Redmi phone through ADB. Step 1. Download and install the Android SDK platform tools on your Windows PC, Mac, or Linux computer. Step 2. Connect your Redmi phone to the computer with a USB cable and make sure USB debugging is enabled. Step 3. Open Command Prompt, Terminal, or PowerShell. Then navigate to the Platform Tools folder. Step 4. Type the following command and press Enter to verify that your device is detected. Add B devices. If your Redmi phone appears in the device list, you can continue. Step 5. Run the following command to reboot your phone into recovery mode. Add B reboot recovery. Step 6. Once your Redmi phone enters recovery mode, use the volume buttons to select Wipe Data. Then choose Wipe All Data and confirm the operation with the power button. Step 7. After the reset is complete, select Reboot to restart your Redmi phone. Your device will reboot with its factory default settings, and all user data stored on the phone will be erased.